Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be using the Wolfgang Concord series Uber rinseless wash sio2 rinse and wash here on a 2014 Nissan Maxima. It's the sio2 infused for added protection, leaves paint extremely glossy and slick. Great for ceramic coating and maintenance on your vehicles. Now, guys, this stuff retail around 25 bucks, but you can make a lot of. You can make clay lube out of it. You can make a detail spray. You also can use in a bucket of water, which I'm using here today. And this is great for fast jobs when it's cold like it is here today. Probably about 40, 35 degrees here right now. Still pretty chilly, but y'all know the cold weather just doesn't stop me. But anyway, this is the car we're working on. As you can see how dirty it is, guys. I'll give you kind of before. Look at here. It's got salt or something on it, as you can see there. The X going through there. So it has salt up there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start washing. This is my water. You want to mix the blue stuff up in here. See how it turns your water blue looking? That's that sio2 technology. It removes and encapsulates dirt and grime off any vehicle, especially black cars. You want it to get that extra pop to your paint, make it shine like glass. All right, and you can make it as rich as you like. I put about an ounce or two in that, maybe a gallon of water, about an ounce of this product here. So make the paint relatively slick. It's good for cleaning windows, everything on the vehicle. I mean, it's gonna make it very slick like. As you can see here, finally getting a little chance to actually wash the car. And this car here was extremely dirty. Look at here, extremely dirty. So that particular chamois cloth doesn't trap dirt. So that's why I'm using that, because it doesn't trap dirt. Like a microfiber cloth traps dirt. This one doesn't do it. It releases all the dirt and grime from the rag. That's why I use a chamois to do this. In case you guys don't know, a chamois cloth like this, it doesn't hold dirt. It doesn't hold oils or grease. So it releases everything back into the water, which I have a grit guard down at the bottom. So that's another little tip. Wash mitts typically might hold dirt. You have to be careful on those. That's why I don't use a wash mitt too much. People don't tell you, but a wash mitt can hold dirt. The fibers get up in there and it's a wrap, you know. But with this, you ain't gotta worry about it. Alright, so I gotta come back and show y'all my finished results. As you can see, I got this whole side basically wiped down. But I just want to share this product with you here at the Wolfgang Concord series Uber sio2 rinseless wash. It's retail around 25 bucks. And like I said, you can make a clay lube with it, a detail spray, or spray wax. It's a lot of stuff you can do with it. So y'all stay tuned for my finished results. I got to go ahead and finish up on this ride, and it's getting dark because I waited to the latest part of the day. So y'all know what the deal is, man. And yeah, get a good look, man. She already looking good. I got to get those rim and tires. I use a pump sprayer for those, and Purple Power, a Super Clean. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.